morning, Cindy here from Food Forward. Today we're making a curry, a chicken curry. In your crate, you're going to have a small bag of rice, garlic paste, some diced tomatoes, onion, and then your already cooked curry chicken. First step that we're going to do is we're going to get some water boiling for the rice, because that's going to take a little while to cook. I have a half a cup of rice, so I'm going to get a cup of water and get that going. I'm going to put a couple tablespoons of oil into the frying pan so that we can saute the onions until they're a nice golden brown. A couple tablespoons will coat your pan real nice to saute your onions. So I've got my jar of sliced onions here. I'm just going to put all of those into my pan of oil. Get those started. Looks like my water is boiling, so I'm going to add my rice. Whoops. So I'm going to turn the heat down a little bit. Let that simmer for just a couple of minutes. Give my rice a stir. I'm going to turn the heat down a bit so that the rice is just gently boiling. Not a hard boil, but just a gentle boil. And then I'm going to cover it, and we'll let that do its thing while we prepare the rest of this meal. So next I have the garlic paste. It's a garlic chili paste. I'm going to add that now to my onions that are sauteing. Alright, so now I've got that going. The oil is separating a little bit from the garlic chili paste, and I want it to do that. I'm going to give my rice a stir and check on that. Tomatoes that I'm going to put in with this sauce. The final step is going to be to add our already seasoned chicken, and there's different ingredients in here. They're more of like an Indian spice. So there's a marsala, there's a sweet curry. So it's not super spicy, but it's very tasty. I'm going to add that to my tomato mixture here. The chicken is already cooked, so you're not going to have to worry about that. You just want to heat everything all the way through. So when it's steaming and well blended together like this, you know, it's pretty much ready to put over the top of your rice. When the water is gone and your rice is nice and soft, you know it's done. So I'm just going to put some rice into my bowl here. And then we've got our curry. Oh, it smells so good. You'll notice with this that you get like this bright yellow color, and that's your curry spice. We have a guest today to try out our chicken curry. Sonia, introduce yourself.
I'm Sonia.
A member of our Food Forward team. Here is a spoon, and we're going to check this out. Let me know what you think.
Really good.
Oh, okay. I think I better try it too, right? That is not bad. And that's your chicken curry. The other thing I wanted to mention, don't forget to come for our cooking sessions on Mondays at 5:30, and we'll see you there. Enjoy! Toodles!